Hey everyone. I am Rajiv Barua. I am an IELTS and PTE trainer, and welcome back to our channel, where we brush up your English skills, literally today. So here's a fun question: if we brush all our teeth, why do we call it toothpaste and not teethpaste? Sounds like a grammar mistake hiding in plain sight, right? Think about it. Every morning you brush at least 20 or 30 teeth, not just one. So why do we only mention a single tooth in the name? Is there one special tooth that toothpaste was invented for? Nope. But here's the real reason: in English, when we use a noun in front of another noun to describe it, the first noun acts like an adjective. And here's the grammar rule: adjectives in English don't take a plural form. That's right. Even if you're talking about 10 shoes or 20 teeth, when you turn the word into an adjective, it stays singular. So the word tooth in toothpaste is actually functioning like an adjective. It's describing the kind of paste. Just like we say shoe polish and not shoes polish, and hairspray instead of hairspray, we say toothpaste and not teethpaste. Even though you're using it for all your teeth, the grammar rules say we keep it singular, and let's be honest, teethpaste just sounds awkward. Try saying it 5 times fast without sounding like a cartoon villain. Exactly. Toothpaste is easier to say and grammatically correct. Let's take a quick example. You'd say, "I forgot my toothpaste," and that makes perfect sense. But if you say, "I forgot my teethpaste," someone might think you invented a new product, or a new grammar error, so the next time you squeeze some minty freshness onto your brush, give a little smile to grammar. That one word, tooth, is doing a lot of work. It's singular, but it represents the whole team of teeth. Thanks for watching. If this cleared up your confusion and gave you a little laugh, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow grammar lovers. Hey everyone.